Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Art and Craft. First of all, like and subscribe my YouTube channel if you like my videos, and share it more and more. In this video I will tell you about how to process the copper manufacturing. First of all guys, press the bell icon button for more updates. Let's start our video. Copper processing is a complex process that involves many steps as the manufacturer processes then ore from its raw mine state into the purified form for use in many industries. Copper is typically extracted from oxide and sulfide ores that contains between 0.5 and 2% copper. The refining technique employed by copper producers depend on the ore type as well as other economic and environmental factors. Currently, about 80% of global copper production is extracted from the sulfide sources. Regardless of the ore type, mined copper ore must first be concentrated to remove gangue or unwanted material embedded in the ore. The first step in this process is crushing and powdering ore in the ball or rod mill. Virtually all sulfide type copper ores, including chalcocite and chalcopyrite and volate and copper sulfate are treated by the melting. After crushing the ore of a fine powder, is concentrated by fourth flotation, which requires mixing the powder or with the reagent that combines with copper to make it hydrophobic. The mixture is then bathed in water along with a foaming agent which encourages frothing. Then jets of air shoot up through the water, forming bubbles that floating the water repellent copper particles of the surface. The fourth, which contains about 30% copper, 27% iron, and 33% sulfur, is skimmed off and taken for roasting. If economical lesser impurities that may be present in the ore, such as molybdenum, lead, gold, and silver, can also be processed and removed at this time through selective flotation at temperature between 932 to 1292 Fahrenheit. Much of the sulfur content remaining is burned off as sulfide gas, resulting in a calcium mix of copper oxide and sulfides. Flakes are added to the calcium copper, which are now about 60% pure before it is heated again. This time to 2192 Fahrenheit. At this temperature, the silica and limestone flux is combine with unwanted compounds such as ferrous oxide and bring them to the surface to be removed as slugs. The remaining mixture is a molten copper sulfide referred to as matte. The next step in refining process is to oxidize liquid matte in order to remove iron to burn off sulfide content as sulfur dioxide. The result is 97% to 99% blister copper. The term blister copper comes from the bubbles produced by sulfur dioxide on the surface of the copper. In order to produce market grade copper cathodes, blisters, copper must first be cast into anodes treated electrolytically, immersed in the tank of copper sulfate and sulfuric acid. Along with the copper cathode starter sheet, the blister copper becomes the anode in the galvanic cell. Stainless steel cathode blank are also used at some reference refineries such as Rio Tinto copper mine in Earth. As the current is introduced, copper ions begin to migrate to the cathodes or starter sheet, forming to 99.99% pure copper cathodes. After crushing oxide type copper ores such as azurite and bronchite and cuprite, dilute sulfuric acid is applied to the surface of material on leaching pads or in the leaching tanks. As the acid trickles through the ore, it combines with the copper, producing a weak copper sulfate solution. This is also called pregnant peach solutions or liquor. Is then processed using a metallurgical process, no, the solvent extraction and electrowinning. So guys, Allah Hafiz. So thank you guys for watching my videos.